Mm-hmm.
Our function is y equal tangent x over 2 minus 2. First we need to do is find our period. Our period is pi over b. B being the number in front of x over 2, which is equal to 1/2. B over 1 over 2. Then you'd get our pi over 1 over 2, and then would equal to 2 pi. Moving on to our x scale, we do 2 pi over our period being 2, which would then equal to pi, because our 2 2's cancel out. Vertical asymptotes. You'd get your x over 2 going back to this first equation equal to pi over 2. You'd multiply each side by 2 to get these 2's canceled out. Then you're left with x equaling to pi. Then you'd get the negative side, which would be x over 2 times negative pi over 2, timesing each side by 2, and getting those 2's canceled out, leaving you with x equal to negative pi. Then you're ready for your graph. What you would do here, set up your graph with each of these. Pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi. Go the opposite way for negatives. Negative pi, negative 2 pi, negative 3 pi, negative 4 pi, and negative 5 pi. Then, since your thing is 2, you make sure everything you cross is 2. You do your dotted lines. Every other one, which would be pi, 3 pi, 5 pi. Negative pi, negative 3 pi, and last, negative 5 pi. Then you're ready to graph. You make sure when you cross here, it's on the 2. There's your first cycle. Two. And there you have your 3 cycles. One, two, three, four, five. 5 cycles. And we're done with y equals tangent x over 2 minus 2. And our credits. Period. Peter. X scale, George. Vertical asymptotes, Jonathan. Graphing, me, Salisa. The end.